Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, March the 12th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 5 awesome deals for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are just simply that, they're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that is before taxes. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. And if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now, this is very important. If your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction, kind of regroup and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work. Now, if you go ahead and pay for those items and complete the transaction, there's no way to get your digital coupons or your paper coupons back because you completed the transaction. So don't be afraid to ask the cashier to void it out if things don't turn out the way you expected them to. Alright guys, so now we're about to get into these 5 off $25 scenarios, and I wanted to go ahead and mention that in a few of these scenarios I have included the Dial Body Wash deal with that insert coupon for buy one get one free. So if you do not have the buy one get one free Dial insert coupon from the 3-6 save insert, all you have to do is add $4 to the subtotal after coupons, and that is what you'll expect to pay at the register. Now, since I did use the Dial Body Wash in these scenarios, I wanted to go ahead and mention that that can be mixed and matched with the Tone Body Wash. So if you would rather pick up 2 of the Tone Body Wash versus 2 of the Dial Body Wash, that is totally up to you. Please just double check the prices and make sure that your subtotal before coupons is over $25. Alright, so first up, I came up with a little food deal for us this week. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 box of the Totino's pizza rolls priced at $2, 1 loaf of the Wonder Bread for $2.45, 4 of the Body Armor drinks at $5, those are $1.25 each, 2 of the Mott's applesauce 6 count for $4.70, those are $2.35 each. 1 cup of the Oikos yogurt singles for $1, 2 of the Pearl Milling pancake mixes at $5, those are $2.50 each, and sorry about that typo there, I misspelled Pearl, but y'all know what I mean. Then 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 75-cent off 1 Totino's, 50 cents off 1 Wonder Bread, 4 for 4 Body Armor drinks, 1 off 2 Mott's, 55 cents off 1 Oikos yogurts, the 2 off 2 Quaker/Pearl Milling Products DG store coupon, and the 1 off 2 Pearl Milling products, plus that $4.50 off 1 Centrum vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.85 for 12 items, making each one to 73 cents each. Now, I know some of y'all did not receive the $4.50 off 1 Centrum Vitamins digital coupon, but if you didn't, you should have received a 3 off 1. So if that is the case, use your 3 off 1 Centrum Vitamins digital coupon. You're just going to pay $1.50 more. Alright, next up, I'm calling this one my buy one get one free scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills at $7.90. Those are $3.95 each. 2 of the Febreze air fresheners at $6. Those are $3 each. 2 of the Dial body washes at $8. Those are $4 each. And 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners for $6. Those are $3 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, the 3 off 2 Febreze, the buy one get one free Dial DG store coupon, the buy one get one free Dial Body Wash from the 3/6 Save insert, and the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon. That's going to bring your subtotal to $4.92 for all 8 items, making each one just 61 cents each. Alright, next up, we have a little household deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Purex 150-ounce liquid laundry detergents at $8.35, 2 of the Febreze air fresheners at $6, those are $3 each, 2 of the Pinoline or Chlorine cleaners for $2, those are $1 each, found in the dollar aisle, 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2, 1 of the Mr. Clean Magic erasers for $1, also found in the dollar aisle, and 2 of the Dial body washes for $8, those are $4 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27.35. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Purex, the 3 off 2 Febreze, the 150 off 2 Pinoline / Chlorine products, $1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, 50 cents off 1 Mr. Clean products, the buy one get one free Dial Body Wash DG store coupon, and the buy one get one free Dial Body Wash from the 3/6 Save insert. That is going to bring your subtotal to $4.37 for all 9 items, making each one just 48 cents each. And I think this is a wonderful deal considering we are getting that big bottle of Purex laundry detergent. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, I showed you all a $5 challenge deal in yesterday's video, and I told you all that I would turn that into a 5 off $25 scenario. So for this deal, we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on Suavitel and Ajax products. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Suavitel fabric softeners at $7, one of the Ajax dish soaps at $2.75, and one Ajax dish soap at 95 cents. It is very, very important that you guys scan each product to make sure that the instant savings deal shows up underneath every one of those items. Alright, so then you want to pick up 2 of the Pinoline or Chlorine cleaners for $2. Those are $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2. 2 of the Dial body washes for $8. Those are $4 each. 1 of the Neutrogena face washes at $4. 1 of the Crest mouthwash at $1. And 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $2.25. That is going to bring your subtotal to $29.95. The $3 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal to $26.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Suavitel, the 50 cents off 1 Ajax insert coupon from the 3/6 Smart Source, the 150 off 2 Pinoline and Chlorine cleaners, the 1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, the buy one get one free Dial DG store coupon, and the buy one get one free Dial insert coupon from the 3/6 Save, the 2 off 1 Neutrogena, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $2.97 for 11 items. But hold on just a second, because the deal gets even better, because then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back for that Neutrogena face wash, and that is going to bring your final price to 97 cents for all 11 items, making each one just 8 cents each. So how awesome is that, y'all? Alright guys, now if you thought it couldn't get any better than that, here is an even cheaper deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Skintimate women's disposable razors 4-count at $6, one of the Nivea lotions at $4.50, 2 of the Dial body washes at $8, those are $4 each, one of the Centrum vitamins at $5, one of the Neutrogena face washes at $4, and 1 Crest with Scope mouthwash for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $28.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 2 off 1 Nivea lotion, the buy one get one free Dial DG store coupon, the buy one get one free Dial insert coupon from the 3/6 Save, the 450 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 2 off 1 Neutrogena, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. Your subtotal after coupons is going to be $2.01 for 7 items. But it gets a little bit better, because you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back on that Neutrogena face wash, which is going to make your final price just 1 penny. How great is that, guys? I can't believe it. I am so looking forward to going out and doing this deal on Saturday. And once you guys are done shopping at Dollar General on Saturday, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app so that you can earn points on the products that you purchased. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend this app, especially if you are new to couponing, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. Like I said, all you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up and you're interested in it, I do have a referral code on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your Saturday deals. Now, make sure that you tune back in because I do have some insert and ad previews that we're going to go over, so I'll have that video up first thing in the morning. So make sure that you come back and check that one out. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.